Well, at 9 o'clock we'll know the answer. After the activator starts the bismuth reaction.
Reaction? But, Carl, you can't go through with it, not until...
Jane, I'm not backing out now. I've told you there isn't one chance in 100 of any trouble.
1 chance in 100?
I'll call it 1 chance in 1,000. I've gone through these calculations over and over, and the answer is always the same. Bismuth fission is possible. Oh, all right. Maybe there is 1 chance in 100 of trouble. I don't suppose there's any point in not facing up to it now.
Well, then you do admit that this could go wrong, Carl. That this particular way could be more dangerous than all they've done with uranium and all the other elements.
Yes, there is a remote possibility that by splitting the bismuth atom, we might touch off oxygen.
Oh. Touch off oxygen?
Oh, now, wait a minute, Jane. I just said there was a remote possibility. Theoretically, the sun could explode tomorrow, but it isn't likely. Well, this is the same.
But oxygen's everywhere. It's in the air. It's in water. Why, Carl, the whole world could become a gigantic atom bomb.
Dr. Ling, open up. Hurry.
Who is it?
Open up, Chu Ling. It's Stackpole.
Why, hello, you come in.
No, there isn't time. Have you read the Zurich Quarterly yet?
Why, just starting it, just why, what's the matter?
It's Everson. He's experimenting with that bismuth fission theory of his.
Experimenting?
Yes, I know. It'll set off an oxygen reaction. We know it, but Everson doesn't.
How far has he gone?
I don't know. I've been trying to get Dunning on the telephone all day. I can't get through.
Well, what shall we do?
We interrupt this program to relay an urgent warning to Carl Everson. To Carl Everson, to Carl Everson. Dr. Ortega of America asks you to hold off until he can talk with you. Don't start the reaction. Hold off and call Tromso. Dr. Ortega asks you to hold off and call Tromso.
Grandfather, you just said that the whole world was in danger, that within minutes we all could be blown to nothing.
Elena, dear, they reach Carl Everson in time now, or they don't. If they don't, there's no remedy that can be devised against this irretrievable blunder.
Urgent warning to Carl Everson. Urgent warning to Carl Everson. Don't touch off the reaction. Urgent warning to Carl Everson. Dr. Ortega says you're wrong, absolutely, positively wrong. Urgent warning to Carl Everson. Urgent warning.
It's time. Well, here's to the future.
To the future, Carl. Whatever it brings.
And of course, there isn't any human being foolish enough to experiment with atomic fission. Our scientists know exactly what they are doing. There isn't a possible chance of a blunder.